Sandumbulanga sanibonani this your boy kule mathibe phela North Calvin ntwana semkhonto khona Kenza bathi umkhenza kashaya thethiswa. Shout out to Coach Sizwe no Shimi for linking us up, hooking us up to corner. So wafethi if ngifuna ukushaya isibandayo esigijimisa igazi wafethi to this stop senville. Jika ndam fethi pose grand chillile relaxed elimnandi just to unwind wafethi. Awes. So that being said, singena phakathi izinto zethu diving in deep PSL games, talking about PSL games, ezilungile upcoming PSL games. Hey, I'm happy with it, but either way, yeah, and there's a high new place and everything. So yeah, my face, I'm gonna introduce my niggas here. Petimwa usipote ngai ngaku left wami, Petimwa bocha ngai ngaku right wami.
Oh yeah. Yebo. Thanko is
Yebo. Shout out to this, shout out. Shout out to Sizwe, shout out to Shim, Bafethu.
Sibonge Bafethu, our newly found home, new shelter, new life, new beginnings, new dreams, new prosperity. Yonke lento zaga siphambili kanjalo kanjalo. Steps njenge-Adidas yaphezulu elevating. Yeah. What? The new smell
Success.
Oh, the smell of success.
Refreshing.
The legacy continues.
The legacy continues.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Open the
Pass. Niggas are cooking, yeah. Niggas are cooking out here. So yeah, should take potwini na recipe amasha bafethu. So I've talking about PSL games. Your PSL games are my game. I'm going interesting. I'm going to tense. I'm going to go on this But yeah, anyways. So nthini ke ngalama game adlulile soqala ngeliphi icala maybe ke singaqala ngeke Nkosi Love bafethu
I shout out to Nkosi baba amakhosi for life
of that game
amakhosi for life yazi ngeza kalani amakhosi ne mina ngihappy mawenza kanje mina ngihappy because of Nyazi come is coming khona into ezayo
oh
yes
okay. I didn't see it come. But anyways,
yeah.
So ibona lento khulabo come.
Uyayibona?
Ufuna kahle nyolwana noyithu.
Sikalona liro.
Hayi,
mare
akekimoyo come is coming.
Congrats.
Definitely saying.
Okay, share.
David and Goliath.
Okay, share. Congrats. Chiefs 3 in a row. Yabo 1 2 3.
Salungisa.
Mamela, ngihappy mina.
Uhappy ngoba
ngifuna
ngathi ufuna uzophula le streak.
Okay, awazake. Shout out to Kaizer Chiefs, ne. Kaizer Chiefs.
No, lo muntu lo are too happy because of
Chiefs.
He perform great. In the past games.
No, angithi ngisayodlala neSundowns. That's why I hate.
No, uzoqala
ngathi ngizolana ne-2.
Uzoqala ngathi. Ngi26 sine appointment. Idad. So like yeah, okay, sharp. Konto zenze. Asazi.
Njengoba Papi uzothwana shilo.
We can't bank on you.
Exactly.
But then
that's why I'm fighting your guy.
Mina ngikhulumela phezulu ukuthi iChiefs mawina kanje yenze ilike exciting.
How so?
Because of mathematically siyacaba iChiefs it can end up with number 2. Consider the fact ukuthi la team aphezulu adlala kanjani.
Big if though.
Exactly. So like asazi ukuthi kuzenzakala nazi 26 zasonde. And they know Chiefs mayenza so idabi izoba mnandi. Yabo?
Igame
le-Sundowns li-important. Leli ngi-6.
Lange-26 alikho important.
Yabona vele.
Wasika into yethu.
50 week vibes there. So mina ngi-expect i-present nje grand yabo ma 3 points yabo. Ngabo ma-6 uzokhona ukuba grand. Wasika something.
Beka,
intwana
3 points.
That's sky something.
Intwana singayi Sundowns.
Singayi
Sundowns.
Now if sibheka kahle lento leya kaPapi uzothwana. Iga-2.
Ithi
gatekeeping ukuthi okay you cannot bank on us but at something you understand ngasemuva behind closed doors we don't know just say
okay.
From Epitori. Yeah, vele nami ngiyayibona vele. Uzoba ku podcast Sundowns season
maybe. Njengoba ngisho manje you can't bank on us
unless
singa
something.
Phela
no.
Mase okay. Ngabafowethu.
Intwana zethu izosilela yabo.
Singabagasa something.
Ngibeka direct. Intwana zethu izosilela.
Abubani?
Intwana zethu. Intwana zethu izosilela. Yabo.
Oh.
The constellations. Celebrate GNU yaqala the original one yangithola
Yeah.
iyasekasi yaseSoweto
yaseSoweto
hayi yasePitori Soweto
hayi ke nokuhlangana nabantu basePitori
yabona bafethu so bafethu shout out to Inkosi bafethu baperforma grand inhle yabona this past 3 games bayabonisa ama signs ukuthi they are coming slowly even
yazini drive yami
mabuye one man of the match kule game le 3-1 yangithola
and apparently ngizothi Hugo
and then Hugo Plus usende ama signs ukuthi he might angamconsider akasazi
no besides the fact that I'm consider
so like umbhekile yangithola so like ine potential ukuthi untanga afike yabo singambo phela isquad asikakhetha.
Yeah, he spoke about his form.
Yeah.
He's getting back to his form.
Exactly.
And he's an impactful player with Kaizer Chiefs. Of which I'm enjoying but we still unbalanced, like a single balance.
Yeah.
The way we balance in the corner. But nevertheless, I want to say congratulations from.
And the other thing here, Mabuye experience our like kona ko team in the Chiefs. Na Mabuye kena ukareng is more of a senior player. Considering the fact that he's played, he won ECAF. Experience counts. And the entire letter la Chiefs. I would have said, "Bon, say I born the Shandis. Whenever he plays, we are born to direction. I go to Genzagala. Lufuna. Only if Job Oshiroti, Kosal Nabu coach, about prop, Perama player, and whatnot. So, if only Mabuye. I told those certain players abazomdlalisa. I'm telling you, bafethu.
There's actually
bawina kamoya wapaseka.
Mame.
There's actually another thing. Yeah. Ushilets. Ikhotman lakhe. Udlala ngazi udlala kuyiphi league. But now I think Kaizer Chiefs is monitoring his movement, his games and everything. They want to secure his signature. Apart from what I've read, it's like say by Tolile signature. It's only just a formality to was finalizing. So it's a rumor, but it's a rumor that I would actually want it to happen because
you want it to happen.
Yeah, it's that suck in terms of building.
You want it to happen.
I want it to happen.
Nepotism straight.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Nepotism. Mangithi manje sengibhekela i-team yami ukuthi ngomele sikhule bakele ukusibiza intwana zabo. Yes.
Young
so,
boy.
Yeah. So yeah, ile out but one thing. But yeah.
Yazini drive yami ngokuthi Khosi liwine so. Mina bengifuna
drive yakho.
Yeah, drive.
Unalijive. Yeah, unalijive.
Ukuthi liyawina so. And it's for the benefit of the team.
Which team?
Kaizer Chiefs. Listen to me, my brother. Let me cook this one for you. Let me cook this one for you. No one ngadala ama-trolls.
Arimuto Peori.
Must make sure
Let me cook. Let me learn. Yazini drive yami ngadayiling le.
Yeah.
Ngokuthi Chiefs yawina so.
Yeah.
Bayadlala vandag.
Yeah.
Bazowina.
Yeah.
Badlale next week bawina. Badliwe nge-26. Bawina the next week. Balebele bawina.
Ngila kancane emuva bayenzeni?
Nge-26.
Fanise iphi highlights.
Nge-vision yabonisa. Mayazini drive yami ukuthi bazobona ngazuthi labo coach la bashaya ispan bayenza crash. Bese bayahlala. Bese iyaqala isizini vivi. They are having the same problem. Pirates is the only one competing in the Sundowns. And we need Kaizer Chiefs, we need Boskukuni, Stellenbosch, we need more 5 teams as a compete.
Yeah.
So now, it's exciting if it Chiefs on form. Do you know why? It Chiefs, I believe it's team and my fans are by.
In between contradicting yourself.
I'm not. Listen.
It's fine.
I'm with Chiefs winning because in my fans are by. People are exciting.
Yeah.
But no, my drive is no.
They might keep the coaches.
If they continue winning, but keep
Oh, it concern
yami ukuthi bazokeep No, Chief, I want our league to be exciting.
Listen,
that's what I want.
So what I've read allegedly futhi. Kaizer Chiefs renew ama contractor each and every coach sports and conditioning from development side of things with Kopo. Only those 2 coaches, their contract were not renewed.
Hayi, that's good.
Ngathi sithole ezinye ke.
Us winning, it's sort of like a positive thing in a sense ukuthi sesiyazi ukuthi we're focusing on development while trying to maintain what's happening here. Number one, I mean not number one, number two, number three. Somewhere lapho possibly Magasho with a big F. But nakhona hence I'm saying we're on the right track.
Yeah, as long as Indian keeps it up. Because I say I must ring in Iva. Utheni?
Atayi. But renewile ukuza kanje.
Yeah,
only
those two.
Scoop lesi. Kholenzakalala
phaya mfana ngizokutshela Iva. Asiringeni Iva. Kumnandi. If it Chiefs ne Pirates ba on form, iligi ba exciting. Ligi ba mnandi. You can't wait to watch PSL. Unlike Bafet Sundowns, it's just they are just great, but they are not that team. Yoguti, but the level in Pirates and Chiefs. When it comes to excitement, fans as a stadium.
Sundowns is not great. They're killing the competition.
They are.
They're not great.
In a way. Oh no, Kubova is Umbogazi Diagonal.
Because of now,
so how can you say about because it's great. It's either if two opponents are at the same level, that's when you can see. Okay, let's say for example, Mozoti, EPL, but Man City, maybe Man United. Okay, Man City, Man United, right? Masganji, you know, when they go head to head, that's good. Okay, possibilities are lenga lose, lenga win. But with Sundowns, what they're doing is, if you're taking a player assets, like players that are showing potential, players now my superstar, you're taking them over out, you're just killing their locals and their career. Because out when they come back, it takes less.
But ultra kudlala vanu. TTC. Mapenu udlala vanu. TTC.
Malibongwe Khoza.
Khoza naye. TTC. Potential players bebangadlala kubafana dlala va.
TTC.
Abo bana badlala ku first team.
Europeans, South Americans. They believe in Americans.
And as funny as
South African football.
Saling behind the pass.
The TTC players, all of them pay to, instead of gatekeeping, Mangabe Khoza went to Kaizer Chiefs or Marumo Lions or wherever, because they're selfish. They just want to take everything with it. But keep about dominant. That's why soccer is still case.
Hence, meaning it's not the team. Ama vibes ukuthi man that team as mayidlala.
Sometimes integrate ngayazini. Bantswemu ngokuwina ama important games. Experience yabo yabaspanela la. Ne mandate yabo like from management perspective. Bayazi ukuthi thina sifuna into so and sifocusa kuyo. Because sheba no. But bamfethu first season ayiqala. Baqalile low.
First season
like a king. And it's a campaign. Baqalile low. Like re bona ga man Sundowns ya tagatara ntse draw ntonyana tse jwalo re sa bone like Sundowns le re tseba go vela ai tse dia dominate each and every game magano ka go sheba ba bona like it's going down the wire. We said how many games? 8 games for bona ke
it still boils down to
competition. Exactly cover no ba ntse mboka suva emabhekos via the channels sa Sundowns Saling usayiniwe sa revealiwa ra number 14 udlale 2-3 nyana as a sapu ugayi no ushebela game so bomnandi yabo so like I understand ngoba prefer abo man Brian Leon ke mango mo
Racing
Racing Alende Sales
those names
Santos yabo de so like
No.
It's convenient because anytime you can retire, these players they'll still continue.
No barakawata about in terms of league or national.
Because manje siba kawathu really manje siba mkompela nabo mshishi.
Uyamthola.
Uyabona manje. No.
And the empathy to like it's rooted deep in the center. The way Kishibilenka thing on that. Sundowns back then. The most dominant player national team
Sundowns.
Sharp. No, the most dominant players still
Pirates.
Exactly. So you know what happens if you're killing. Let's say, for example, you're taking European players and some domestic like national PSL. But he said, then you consider them first. You're killing Stanocho, you're killing our national preparations because now we do not know which players to choose how to World Cup because they're not getting enough game time. They're not preparing. We can prepare good training, but compete and therefore you see your potential, your strength, what is level. But now if you're sitting on a bench, then you get selected for a World Cup. Who are you to play?
Umkhetheleni angadlali. Hayi. Nawulokuthuka umkhetheleni.
Unokuba uyigwala nayo
igwala ukuthi nokuba igwala.
Ngithatha urile. Ngimkhethile because ngiyazi ukuthi angathuna something maqeda ngamdlalisa.
Kuyona problem yobugwala, ubugwala babo.
Ngiyabona.
Squatting or the team yakhe.
Let's say urile akadlali.
Team yakhe.
But you know the type of a player urile. Then you like wangizobheka borile abaningi lapha ku PSL or NFD angibathola urile uyiwana. Phela nale yakazwani be questionable uzwani beka kawathekile. Ubuya ku injury.
Match unfit.
You understand? Then it's like favoritism. Ukuthi nje bekwa ngale gama leli, you understand? I take Rile, he's not performing. Not performing, he's not playing, but I know the quality of the player he is. Ngimletha ku squad. Ngimhlalise benchini. Don't pretty well ukuthi kunembuzi nenkomo ezidlala lapha. No, but I'm just saying. We just see things like with the naked eye, but we don't know what's actually happening. It goes back to an example. There's people who are influenced by PSL. We don't know about it.
Gatekeeper.
You could say,
president somewhere. I see the president somewhere.
Okay, let's like rewind. Going back to episode 9. Episode 9.
Okay, anyanda.
Around there.
Mara team, Mbogazi alawile jwanda de ngokuyetsa hali. Or an agent from department team. I'm calling the agent person. Agent, someone out there, outside
like the
official role.
The influence.
It whatever connected dots.
Possible. Come on. Fit.
But you
so. Employment Nigeria. Ani? Employment Ghana. Ani?
Yeah.
And there's Spanish South Africa situ. Yeah, unoplome mzansi. Unoplome mzansi ngenza ngawe example. Unoplome mzansi. Mas South Africa situ.
Yeah.
Then ngiyakutshela ukuthi azi outzam Nigeria is for strike. And like leya upuli njani la emzansi. And wena uspana na. And like
close na.
Wena unispan nithi uyamcha. And uyakubhayizisa upule because udla opposite team. And ucompete now. Uyabona ukuthi ayazi nyambhayisa upule. Upula antswembe umthathini. Something like that. Bese mina ngilanda team yakho. Ngithe man ufuna umuntu osongo ne100 million. Pirates business ngeke bayali imali. Angisho ukuthi 100 million abamthenge ngaumbukazi. Mara ibusiness ngeke bamali. Bayamcoba uthi 100 meter. Hayi. Thathana upule vaya pule. Na i-team yakho uyavaya yena uyajabula. Uzodlala nawe, uzodlala neteam boyidlalela uyazi ukuthi awuphula kasekho. Vela ama defender mvele bewabhayiza mara no at least kuzoba yebulala nje. So wena ugone uvayile.
So le ukuthi le yase Nigeria. Iye ngara ngasemuva yatshela lezi zaseGhana ukuthi bafethu. Laba mangalahlekisa lapha izomthola uphuli.
Yeah, something like that. Ukuthi fakani imali labantu laba siyabazidala basithengisela bolodge nabobani bani nabotekumulisi. Bathanda imali, fakani imali nabazongaya.
Nabathi uyabheka iPSL ayikhiphi leyo mali le.
Hayi nix.
Wabula ekhaya kwashi.
No kubhiza.
Bothi rewind
Ngizathi ngithi
before sikhuluma ngalamagame.
Ngale ndaba le yakhumbula sikhuluma ngombokazi ukuthi le liga yakuyo it's not competitive enough for him for the kind of player he is. But
everyone.
When you said it, you said it.
Yeah,
he's
you said
gonna
it.
outshine everyone there. And no, recently, what's happening in Gambogas?
Wowie.
He's been killing
He's
it,
doing this.
Wowie.
He's been killing it.
He's winning.
Yabona point lakho bulshilo walimanifesta lenzekile way. Mina elambu ukuthi now he's doing everything right. Mara
Now.
in the wrong league.
Yeah, isabuyela lapho. Ukuthi sithe iligi is not competitive enough for him.
Sure.
Yabona mangabe sazi ukuthi uye lapha ku EPS yazophushana nabo bani could have been better.
Plus it's got
But
physique.
Champions League player
nakhona,
mfana leya.
it is still Sunday plus positiveness that's gonna come out of this. Him playing there regularly, getting first lineup and everything it prepares him for actually mentally confidence and everything. With Masingena World Cup, he performs then. It's all that.
But each every amazing sign a contract for 5 years.
They can still buy him out.
Yabona ukuthi problem yamiva leziya zizobe iplays together. Ehlanya.
Because of your
For my players for your players in South Africa
I understand what you're saying, but if you check it, is money, there's no therefore. In a sense of what comes first, it's money because it's business. You understand? That's all passion. We can preach however we want, it's passion, but it's business at the end of the day. Because Lavanda Baspan, you need to pay them so that they can feed their families. Right. Sharp, going back initially, Lam Calipon, Umbogas in Fetu, Vampire, with 50 whatever million of plus asas. 1 billion. In Chicago, obviously, they're going to make imali Umbogas. They knew good to invest in good players because they knew good to sign a platinum. Simthengisile nakho 50 sikhiphile 50 sinathing iReal Madrid yafika ithi yamfuna uMbogas because bashota ngeplayer elifana naye phela uMbogas is a defender uqala i-counter he can still shoot njenge striker, you understand? So he's a complete player, he's a superstar, so to speak. He's a superstar. So me having to cough out Real Madrid having to cough out $200 to $300 million, what was for a playing as a good season winner Lamantofisa. Phela manje mabaqala ukumsayina iChicago ama-fans wathi ayisekho igame esoyiluza before he even played. He's playing now and when Zanoseba mabholo ukuthi they could have cost the team. Unkulunkulu eChicago no dog.
I think into ezomaketha grand igame ezomaketha to European teams or leagues.
Ilele Miami what na
Against Messi because of ama clips walapha I think baveza worldwide. So yile game ezomaketha lawa amanye thina so wabona cause was South Africa. Do you understand? Mara ukuthi bazothatha le clip leya bayiveze England. England abana ndaba.
But it's kind the Gulf media show. Don't you think already Europe yacaba kaMbogas?
No, but probably bacava.
Yeah, so
sure bacava.
Utsiba already you can tell Redskins and I open our eyes. People make the team so look monitor his movement while he's still playing. We don't know.
Ngafuna team yase Belgium.
In Club Brugge. Because of nyazi Club Brugge ngama South Africans lisa landa lisa.
No, yase Belgium. Yeah, I think Belgium. Mara no, here's my thing. Bamfune seka sign in Chicago. Ngeke iChicago release nje for team yase Belgium. So now you get where I'm going a little. Ne World Cup indaba man thina siphithe coach swag kahle bekumele ngabe nje abombokazi yabamaketha nje ngeWorld Cup intwana lezi aborili
lezazincane
apolice abomremi bekumele ngabe zimakethe ka grand phela noma umremi ayimbobo le ayiyo lapha ku Pirates ikhona team yangadame befune iwina elso yangithola ukuthi nje bazomkhukha 2-3 touches moves what abe mnandi for bo mara nje right, mina mfana nale coach angifuni ukubheka ngale out
and have you noticed ukuthi le league le edala bombokazi sesiyayazi manje because of umbokazi.
Yeah, I thought viewership epa.
You understand?
South Africa.
Sesiyayazi
South Africa.
So now looking on the brighter side of things, going to Pirates, winning Boma 4, 5, 6, 9, the players they're marketing themselves because la market laws are 5 in they get more views.
Hey.
But
and they must look to view nganje.
Into engazi ukuthi ifikile Europe ile la goal ka dancing.
Olela ntinting.
Yeah, nelkambokazi.
Click bam.
Nale kambokazi le South Africa bezidlala nini? Yazi wa 2
ya manje Panama.
ya plus vele ngike ya Panama vele mbokazi Chicago Fire vele ya hyper vele
yabona mangithi mangikhuluma ngemarketing bekurele uzimarketile la leya coach leya yasePanama
ishilo le
yantwana leya yala
le awesome emass
Inga nje kuphekwa kahle.
no sobona bafethu umbokazi soringa
You know with what sense? You remember last week we were talking about indaba yokuthi masingathatha we're comparing basically uZwane no because of whatever people are saying. Sasho ukuthi umshishi can protect the ball unomzimba nana but really elected then we said if besithathe urelease ambeka lapha ku Barcelona njengoyamali could have been so kuyona nto kichongo I'm not saying he's bad
because
I'm not saying
Rashford
he's good but
because
now
Rashford
let's say if sisekaphekwe kahle nje bamshaya ekrem bamshaya akatshela
abe under guidance ya Pep Guardiola ntwana akatshela Haaland akaba superstar imwenzini
ukhambani ngemagesi
ugesi
ngathi kusekasi
ngamhlakazi
mutlakasi mara uyo kasi
diphika yini
nix
uhaba ziyakhala
bayahamba
bayatuwa la baya NFT
bayavaya
mfethu banalo main points no sakutila ka calculator no banalo main points
magesi
amavolts ayehlile phela
sisibabheka
athi madumene Pirates bashaya Pirates 3 feza abavaya macala abavaya macala
abavaya mara PSL itsina lo lagisa ushothe let's say for example kwa
nebadlali mabani
ushotha ka 3 points go lo fit
bana 17 points
bana 17 how many games they play 23
but they are not far from Orbit mara mina ngasho Orbit ngigiva
man bana 22 games 17 points Obiti
23 games 18 points
1 point difference bona baku number 16
1 point difference ne number 14 maru
ngithola beka ama points from number 10 we are pants
difference or
difference ama points
number 16 number last una 17 number 10 iswelele na 27 points so it's 10 points no number 11 is Richards Bay ina 27
but you remember lento le ukuthi PSL the way belagisa ngakhona ngabona number la subele uwin igame eliwa maqhathe ubo number 10 you understand
I know anye
so is it because of competitiveness or what
it's a show papa shubile baba
aziyakhala
kutshela magesi yavaya nje mabani bajiwe mabani ngithe mangabe nabadlala Alros ake game yabona nabadlala Alros ngiconfirmele yona Golden Arrows. Arrows itolo phaka 5 so
Golden Arrows
bedlala nani Magesi angibhekele Magesi bedlala
Magesi bayidlile bedlala ni Sikhukhu
I don't know but game Golden Arrows
Sikhukhu
bedlala ni Sikhukhu
babinano bajuwe 1-0 I think ke babaye fonna ke babaye yabona Magesi ke babaye
so
Seven City ne khamba
kwenza
manje seyidliwa kanje man
itebenzisa kabaphezulu thwana
ngeka bani isikhethe ka coach
lo besitshela ngayo
mina kujotsa ka man khethe ka coach Seven City lebana
bahlanga badliwe Tuesday badliwe Sundowns 1-0 and le game ubonile Sundowns biza ma save ama players for
Esperance
Champions League
semi-final yakho
Fanda
so
should Sundowns mayako ngara ePitori urile lo busy ngama kwasha uyaplanga khala bo ma 5 ngaliba computer
bayakhompyutha balance Magesi the training
game la nini
Tuesday or Wednesday
mfana Magesi
so uyabona ukuthi
mina ngibelieve ku Magesi
mara actually like recent points sanotsa Magesi
17
then amlatela nguna how many points difference
18.2 that's not bad too top 3 down top 3 kenyiwa
playoffs
like
what's on top 3
phela my winner let's say Magesi
pega number 13
number 13 na 24 points number 12 na 25 points number 12 nyamshafa
yasilabo lama team ayadliwa
number 12 lose kwenzakalani nabo lapho
12 lose
nyamshaya
kanobani bebathi kanobani leya bekathi iPirates ngeke compete
ile langamani
ithe konje kuzocompete
Sikhukhu nani
Sundowns
nani Vice Sikhukhu
azangathi ne TS Galaxy
Yeah, we name it now.
Uthe isikhukhuni ne-TS Galaxy.
Kunamba bani lekini?
Kini?
So isikhukhuni.
To number 5.
Oh.
That's the thing ePSL. Abantu bekumele bacompete neSundowns. Badlala ama-draw. Badlala ini bayadliwa kwamaZulu, sikhukhuni.
Wena.
Mingithi Durban City yeza mara.
AmaZulu improvile mfethu. Yazi sase threat
Now umbuzo ke ngoba siyabona ukuthi the standings kume kanjani. Only the two teams phezulu are the teams that are actually competing against each other.
pound to pound.
Yeah,
Neck to
then
neck.
you go to number 3.
It's no longer neck to neck.
There's no competition at all.
Good.
In a sense ukuthi
Kuna mama.
1 and 2.
Obona number 2, number 1 and number 2.
Yeah.
Go number 2 yakho class. Awona competition at all convince more team like maybe next season possibly if they sign there's other teams if they sign for a compete for top squad.
I still say mfethu. I still say.
Wait a minute. We cover VAR already.
No, I keep in my egg. I can't open like the team to
my 5. Mara Chiefs is one of them.
I understand, but now what I'm trying to say to you is we're seeing this upcoming developing teams like AmaZulu, Scoucho Nacho, Golden Arrows, despite whatever that's happening. We know it's not players in the this season they're competing. But no, if Wetala saw and Wetala at the like early stages before you even go to second round, what's going to happen next season? Is there going to be a competition along? We are expecting it come out of like wide open or still one and the same thing.
Only next season,
yeah. Only if
about one and the same thing.
Only if about losing the players along like top performance sabo na Golden Arrows
but come on but lo di lose Golden Arrows so like ngizwile bathi uNdlovu pre-contract kuphi Orlando Stadium
wena iphuma kulezo zinto zela nama-scoop manje
yeah sure
so yeah maka dika compete because of obvious what's good ka Arrows okay club ka Arrows ne Arrows ushebe apha idlala ka intwana tselinyane ne coach wa bona le no believela ko grooming intwana ko developing intwana dilinyane intwana tsela most ya tsona so like to perform yabona ke manke Ndlovu captain yabo uManqwele noma ngapi khona le ntwana le edlala ku DDC le under 20 le bebayidlalisa na ku first team intwana yakhona bani ngiyakhohlwa igama lo yeah imabhuku eso romamango something like that le ntwana lena iyadlala it's just that good thing manje I proper
mina ngibona le ifake seke nafa kusiyanga yi South Africa
edlala Isaac mamela Isaac sisi
na again
Chiefs ne Pirates bayalenya icava Chiefs yamfuna
Pirates ukwazi ukuthi wena
mamela ntwana
uyicova VAR heading le ukuthi uthi Chiefs izoba number 2.
Yeah, like
mathematical. I need to like okay. Mathematical.
That's why
mathematical. Automatical. Ngenzeka
awuthami Chiefs mayewina la game in hand ukuzilingane never. Ukuzilingana nePirates ngama game. Engawawina uyi3 la game in hand. Iba na 48 points.
So you know
Pirates na 55.
Yes why?
Bakai hope phela mfethu babe ne hope ukuthi basanga but then bona they are fighting for the top 2. Win.
As much as you guys.
Can take a shot.
It's a big if.
There's no if bazohlala ku3 or ba drop or baye ku number 4.
Wena muna kantikini.
So phuma ukuthi bahlala vala.
Wena muna kantikini. Kino mathematical Chiefs. They are fighting for a position 2.
Maba winner Fandana.
Maba winner Fandana
42 points.
In fact, let's share fair. It's okay. It's fine.
Very.
Share fair.
And shoot bang I win the league. That's what you say. Because sometimes it's sharing one point.
That's what. Arika it's a team tell you.
That is
impossible. We know. Give these guys a hope.
So you don't
make hope. We're not giving us any hope.
That's what Gali baby Kev gave you.
Yeah.
That's what Gali baby Kev.
And it's good for South African football. We like baby Kev. Chelsea that indicates top. Young John. Go right ukuthi thina sile bona baby Kev good for South African football.
Baba baby Kev.
Baby Kev. Amafana inkenyile mfana.
Kev light. Thina sirad lapha ku mixed up.
No nkenyile hiding Pirates.
Then Friday. Friday.
Hayi ngikhini Pirates.
Okay.
I think Scotland ngibukela.
Hayi ngikhini lecho.
Bari angeke ngize ngishama sign language ukuthi wenzeni. Kuzomela ngize ngikhuluma.
Sakhuluma ngama game.
Ayisikhuluma ngama game. Sasaqini.
Mind isikhathi.
No, don't worry chief for this.
I am worried.
Ubata ngithathe isifundo zayo. Wapeyinela.
Uthenyo Pirates. Out here we are playing one of the
Itembe kumele sibeke number 1.
Ngiyabona number 1. Manje nginendaba no number 1. Nendaba nokuwina nje. Mele siwine out here. Sithola ama chance ay2. Aswine isigame, swine 4-2. Iscore. Skipte ya goal difference ibe ngithola. Mahopu Messi chance uphasa goalkeeper lapha. Ukuzudijonga azoshayisana no goalkeeper.
Okay.
Mahopu goalkeeper umile ulisa la goalkeeper mekho.
Ukubuza something.
Unemthajelo uthola clear chance lapha uyamiss. Then sizoplay mani ke manje. Sizothi yini problem?
Guidelines.
Yeah.
Sothi yini?
Ngishilo ngathi sikhuluma ngebhola nokhuluma ngebhola. Guidelines.
Twana. Khohlwa ile ngile. Yini ile ngile mfisi. Bese sithi sifuna ukwina league. Afethu iPirates ayakabi ready for winning the league. Mentality abayakabi great.
Abekhoda.
Ama player abawasayinile awakabi ready for abakabi kuleyo mentality ukwina league.
Wabona bana league vele.
So
Like
someone that's ready to win the league.
ama decisions making wakho. Making sure i-decision mawuyenza wazi ukuthi it's a make sure decision. La ngiyakora, la ngiyacelebrate, last win ithola 3 points. Sibelelela akekho ready ukwina league.
Mahopa akekho ready.
Mahopa akekho ready ukwina league. Nemthajela akekho ready ukwina league. Ngenithola ama chance so i3.
Goalkeeper uyamkhipha la.
Usipho China akekho ready.
Some fans of it, you don't get satisfied.
No.
You were preaching.
We won't get satisfied. Do you know why? I won't get satisfied?
Listen, wait.
Lama player I2 club abamise kula chance. They've been playing for the Pirates. Bebalebele bakhona masibo number 2. They have experience of doing this. We can't be doing the same thing every season. We won't be satisfied. But more player now individual sithi uyashisa sibili uyashisa nemthajelo uyashisa. Ezamanye ama decision uyabona ukuthi I can't score here. I can't. Cabanga. Football IQ.
Life lesson. Izinto zakho ziyapopa every day.
As pop every day.
Yeah, but upayiseka kaBayern ngesikhathi upopa ngaso ngithi.
Mawulebele upayiseka ku life learning experience. Usibili akathulanga ichance enje against isikhukhulu. Wenzeni ushayile veli nakumela phasi. Yangithola.
Upayiseka kangakhe level.
Noma ungabhayiseka kaningi.
Minyane.
It's
Even
fine.
the people that you're talking about who's experience, they still get bhayiseka.
It's fine now Thiam. Le ungafaki life experience nebhola abadlala every week so.
Exactly. Now feel like every week so.
Life ini mawufuna isipana uyosifuna every day uya this week uhlala uye in labantu laba badlala week in week out kanje ungakhulumeli labantu laba benza amafaka
but the human beings you need to understand
the day Chiefs iba kule position esikuyo uzo understand you know you've never playing no computer for a league you're competing for a league out here 39 points with 55 you are not competing for the league
Fair.
I'm talking serious things
Fair.
we are 1 point away from Sundowns abantu abakhompete for a league
so you compete only if you number 1 or number 2 spot or you compete if you in the league
you compete if you are number 2
buddy
you compete if you are number 2 I can't talk about number 3
me competing for the league ngiyapayisa kule process ukuthi ngizifike lapha it doesn't necessarily mean
awuthama singikwenzele example esimple makunama team ayi4 adlala semi final in compete for it in compete for top 4 exactly how can you skip the stage uthi compete for a cup ungakadlala final
how many teams are in the league
and 16
exactly
in my case compete for a league
the same objective ukuthini they want to win the league
in my case compete for a league
right
now
objective Masiqali singakadlala ama-games second round manje ama-points ukuthi they're not competing because they're losing, they can't even reach there. But the same mentality masingena lapha sonke sifunani iligi. So we competing each and every game that we playing, it's a competition. Does it have to be real if it's your own opinion or my own opinion?
Sikhuluma ngeligi masiyibhekile. Sikhuluma ngeligi masiyibhekile. Imagine computer for league. Let's get
number 1 and number 2. Listen.
Number 2.
Because the team settled to the code game, get on the computer
for league. For league. Tightly. Get on the 2.
Okay, didn't get that.
Number 3.
Before the points modeling thing.
Effing.
Your computer. I can't
report 20 points or kibo mang ba computer.
Eqalile albona ka second round or first round.
Eqalile aribone santsane iqala or kibo mang ba tlo computer.
So what about the other teams? They're not competing.
Ba computer for in. Ba computer for in. If ba computer for in league. If ba computer for in league, Sundowns benye given nama winner pie, Pirates benye given nama winner pie. Because besobona ukuthi bonke baya computer for league. Right now at this stage, it's only Orlando Pirates and Sundowns.
Because they're gonna win it. It has been determined by the points.
Last season,
the games they've been winning.
Last season, this time, Sundowns be winning the league. There was no what. They were just playing. Young child. Mara right now.
So your definition of competing.
Teams who are competing 1 and 2.
Definition of competing is. That's when you're competing. So that simply means you're competing alone. Sundowns was competing alone. That's what you say.
No, that's why winning.
Yeah, so they were competing alone.
There was no competition. But we not in fact, but remain a game. So my 5 games.
There's no competition.
Answer this question. You're saying to me, Sundowns last season they competed only one for the league.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, what's that game? A few. What's that game? Last season. Labantu abayenza Sundowns iGarofon. Of which this is ayikho yonke le.
That's what we're saying. Last season,
but there's no competition.
Sundowns bengana competition. But say
each and every team in the Sundowns saying kile league. Ne bayafolo la yini la babashapela matho. This season ayiyo nto. Kibo mang.
So but
I'm still a ring. Kiba bako number 2. Ba push at it.
Oh, strong change. Ba competing for league
Kibali. Wabona bale ba push.
Ba competing for league number 2. When number 1 ba compete for league because they win, right?
Abasewin.
No, I can't
number 1 and 2. That's what we say.
Okay. All right, let's move on because this one will debate, disagree, and to agree. Let's move on. So
anyway,
where are we?
Fixtures. Aboban.
We're not gonna move on.
I know.
It's like us going to say bleach and then we 2v2. I'll be 2v1.
Namhlanje CS Galaxy Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs, I think this is cool.
This is a win.
Obviously, it's my team, so I won't say this is a loser.
I love good to win.
Kaizer Chiefs
build the confidence. That build the confidence. Because of I know Chiefs
but then CS Galaxy.
Yeah, I'm looking for win. But
CS Galaxy they will last 2 games.
But I
home game Chiefs.
I wish we win the Chiefs. So that doesn't build up the confidence.
We're not competing.
You know. That's what to be number 2.
Look, the thing is,
matric games abazowadlala ngeke bafike na ku 50 points. That's what I'm saying.
So you are saying we're not in.
How are you competing?
When you are saying bad you are vandag. You are saying bad you are vandag. The Chiefs.
Hey, it's just
you are saying bad you are now.
Yeah.
No, we didn't lose.
Marumo Galaxy Obits.
I can tell you.
Marumo Galaxy Obits.
Because Baji, so when I just bomb, that's what he's saying.
Oh.
Angizange ngisho kanjalo ngiChiefs ya win. Angizange ngibe bana sport. Ba win. Bayenzani?
I'm not disputing anything.
That's what I'm feeling about.
CS Galaxy Stellenbosch or win.
Bashaya
Abantu laba bazowina because bakulo 2 games. That's what you said.
Yeah,
Banesibongo.
Ngeke balunga.
Ngeke badliwe 3 games in a row.
Mina like the confidence yawo, right? You're right, with confidence. Phela ke kgale go sa bone confidence so.
Marumo Gallants
Go
Obits.
and check the episodes. Kaizer Chiefs one win. It's not all about confidence.
Marumo Gallants Obits. Marumo Gallants Obits.
Marumo Gallants
recent.
Obits.
Recent for me. Yeah, la match. I don't know. But it's a lovely draw for me.
It's a lovely
draw.
Lovely
one.
Next game, my case in the Chiefs.
Yeah, sure, my case. Ngithumele ekhaya.
Ukhompyutha for you.
Ngiyashaya.
Computer for
Computer
me.
number 3 sengiyaphendula. Ngithi ufuna ngisho kanjani?
Careflight.
Ngiyashaya. Careflight, right.
Kanjani wena?
Uphumile emazweni.
Kanjani Chiefs amazulu kitsonzo computer lami for riding for Kev.
Mara
webe angazi ukuthi amazulu kitsani
Computer no.
yeah for a keep
for Careflight. I for Kev. I league.
I never
for
said now
Kev.
Ya league libala kayo.
No mara I Chiefs in the game nama game ngenda. Menga wawina ne. Menga wawina. I don't think amazulu ya compete.
Sure.
So bashiyanga 9 points.
Right. Not right. Maka that's a big if.
Let's move on.
Big if na.
Let's move
Oh, njenge Chiefs number 2.
Yeah.
Let's move on.
Stellenbosch Skukune.
The still is.
Yeah, hey, this game is
right.
interesting. Really. Mbese against former team.
Hey, well.
It's a bomb.
Yeah, ne. Angazi. Cape Town or New Peter Mkaba. Badala va.
Cape Town.
Phela bafete home and away. It says a lot. Mfete riboni ka Friday.
Hey.
Ka Friday. Friday.
Hey,
away for this other team. Hey,
but
it was a bomb.
It goes back. Excuse me. It goes back to it goes back to the thing I wanted to go work at the
home and away. The pitch. Venues.
It
says a lot.
Pressure. Hence, I was talking about pressure earlier on. We might be patient players, but we don't know what are they going through. Because remember, out of the first half, there's 2 halves. Okay, the first half, maybe form whatever. We don't make a player keep a second half because of what they want something a little different, some flavor, right? So you going out, okay, first half will complete a trendy, speed on 90, coming back. Outside that theory, okay, no second silly so you cannot play like out the first half. So what's going through?
There's nothing going through your mind. Magmelusha itepin ukore.
Awusamile.
Melusha itepin ukore.
Then they say le ukuthi abantu ba celebrate abangakakori. Ibuya because
akula celebrate lapha.
But okay, Bobo.
That's what I'm saying.
You need to understand, most fielding is not the same as you watching.
Thank you, Sport.
Thank
you, Sport.
Listen,
thank you.
Yabona lento le yokora before u celebrate before ukora. Yazi ukuthi ina situation wayeyenze. Thola ukuthi ngibakhiphe uphume 1-1. Yakhumbula usibisi ku Kaizer Chiefs. Bamshanga le cross le ya. What uyalala. Yena ngeke sirashilo ukudala yangithinta liyangena yangithola. Lawo ma situation. Leya kanemthatshele leya. Akusi situation ukuthi ngiyakora ngiya celebrate. Lena bathi ibhola liza so cut back so uthi.
So maqabanga
ngone. Ushaye ngeshulezi.
Yeah, umesweni yini yenza ukuthi kube na decision ukuthi ashaya.
Decision ayithathile ushaye ngeshulezi.
Every time
lo muntu lomfana
uyazifana nalento le.
Bafethu lo muntu dlala ibhola isikhathi eside.
Alokho umuntu bekacabangile ukuthi uzoshaya ngevoli.
He took a chance.
Yeah, he took a chance. Same applies to namhlanje. Instead of doing the simple things, he dala technique, you understand? So you dala in the technique. Ilento isuka so uyithathile. Angithi mazo receive ibhola babize anticipation. Mazo receive ibhola so yazi ukuthi kwamele wenze ngayo. Yena ithole ukuthi mama maliza kanje ngizoshangele senizokora. Unfortunately he didn't score. So you don't bash him.
Nakho ke nangithi mina ngidlalela ibhola nawe ngithi udlalela ibhola ibhola molushange ishulezi we all know izosathi direction exactly ibhola molushange tapping ngepower
we are control
they are straight
but what is so
wena as a player lapha kule situation
that's why they call it composure.
Let me ask you
football
IQ. Let me ask you this question. If Beka Korile bozothi ngayo
if Beka Korile akakoranga ikinto engcini umesile wenza udoti nje ikinto uzoyisho ngayo akakoranga angiboni ne-if laphaya.
Same situation.
Decision yakhe
Same
yaphela.
situation ngeKaizer Chiefs. Asakhuluma ngekhaya. Same situation ngeKaizer Chiefs. Uyamesut uBreeze. The very same thing. Simbizi Nkomo. Uyakora still.
Anomise kanjani? Before sokhuluma le. uBreeze washaya ipizza. Wapizza ugoalkeeper. Wathi pizza wabeka ibhola phansi. Maqeda washaya isithende wabheka le. Mina ngizombiza Nkomo because of that decision ayithathile wrong. That's what I'm talking about here. Nemthathele uthatha decision wrong.
Akila ka scenario tse 2. Shapo mesitsi. Akorile no tlwetsala eng. Akora ke ntse tshong ke mbotsa question. Yes akakoranga. Bokuzoenza kana.
That's my thing. Akakoranga. Yiki decision esoyithatha ngayo.
That's why kune if.
Akakoranga.
Akorile.
Decision yakho ithathile wrong guy. Shaya pizza ushaya 13 grand ukora celebrate.
There ngeke bobayilwana la. Ulwanela go like unkile wrong decision.
Ayithola ntso ayijompa.
Whereas usatamele athelemeti.
Awukhona on form example ukuthi ungayenza riding. Ana ne confidence.
Lapha kumfukeng makapla.
Wathi ke khutela pa. Ke khutela ko direct ya hore ha ona ntso e tsala mokele lo nya.
Yeah man.
Nomthajela. Utle aska shapa tshepina nke le isiwe tsa etse.
Hence
decision.
Hence ke shokere unkile decision wrong.
Yeah.
Exactly. My decision enkiwa ke ma ke motho le ngaka field of play o dlala I bone ile right. Wena because o Messi o ibone le complete turn off but nako ka ofela tsa dlala.
Nyala. Modla li
Kona manje
discount.
ukorile ngoba uwina 5. Ukorile nge-deflection.
You go.
Celebrating.
No. Yeah. My situation awafani. My scenarios awafani. Ukorile. Here what I'm saying. Untanga dala. Uzwa mina ngithini. Dala udlala professional football out here. Uyaqava ibhola mawushaya ngishulezi uzoyenzani. We know, as a football, you know. Mawushaya ngethepini no. So ibhola maliza so, angeke ulishaye use 18 phakathi, ulishaye so ngishulezi. Ibhola izothatha i-direction different. You know, wawufuna ukubulala. Ibhola liza so, shaya ethepini, ibhola lingene phakathi epalini. As a footballer, that you should know. Into kumele uyazi, into kumele uyicabange. Leyo ukuthi if ukorile bafethu asingayibalini. There siye.
I know, sizwile. In fact, Masindi,
Yeah.
Kobe Mlamboni.
Okay, but we give thanks to Tudis Legacy for hosting us. Our newly found home, John was Shiro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Nkulumeni ukuthi nibona kanjani le ndaba le yakanamthajela decision making and everything. Yes, he's a player. Sometimes
composure.
Kunokuba bad. Too. So that's how it is. Singayithathini sifake
Squatile.
Let's win the league.
And again, siyabiza
Awutheme kwatile. Mina mthajela disappointed. Kwatile. Isephesile.
Mahopa nayo.
Hayini kwasa.
Hayini.
Size simnyama bafethu.
Hapa ne Chiefs ya uwina.
Ala.
Futhi.
I choose the right.
I don't thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down there below. Usitshela ukuthi unicabangani ngale nto le besikhuluma ngayo fandaga. Udissect nathi ayithola le nto le. Thank you.
Travis.
Yeah, bafethu subscribe, shiwo make bafethu.